Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to customize clock on Android 16. So as you guys see, I'm on Google Pixel 9 and I'm going to customize the lock screen on Android 16. First thing that you need to do, just hold and press down on your lock screen, customize lock screen, unlock your phone, then go. And as you see, you can change the fonts of the clock. So there's a lot of different fonts, and then click clock color and size, and then you can change between colors, and you can change even the size, or a small one or a dynamic one. Just select it, and as you will see right now, it shows a new design clock. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.